Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain you how to set up an Eero extender. So the first step is to download the Eero app, and then you're gonna have to create an account, or you can simply log in with your Amazon account. After that, you're gonna have to set up your Eero gateway. So first unplug your old modem and router from power. If you have other wireless equipment connected to your modem, you're gonna have to unplug it as well. Then you're gonna have to connect your gateway Eero device to your modem using the Ethernet cable that came in the box. You can use either of the Ethernet ports on the back of your Eero. Then you're gonna have to plug your gateway Eero device into an available power outlet. Now you're gonna have to create your Eero network. So basically, what you're gonna have to do is simply tap next on the app, and the app will begin to look for your new Eero. So you'll notice that your gateway LED will begin to flash and turn solid once found. So basically, after that, you're gonna have to select your new extender in the app, and then you're gonna have to simply add your Eero to your network. So once you set up this in your app, you're gonna have to place your Eero device centrally, and if you have a dead spot, try to place your new Eero device between the dead spot and another Eero device to ensure a strong connection. And after that, you're gonna have to simply connect devices to your Eero network, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.